orange juice, Ben? Yes, please, Mum.
Everyone out! It's an earthquake!
It's an earthquake! It's an earthquake!
It's not an earthquake. It's worse than an earthquake. It's a woodpecker.
It's smashing the tree!
It's made a hole!
It's got inside! Quick, put your fire!
Oh, it's not in my flat.
Phew! It's not in my flat! Our door's stuck!
Here, son, let me try.
I believe we have found the bird. Everybody, keep calm and don't panic. Everybody out!
Run for your life!
Hello, Ben. Hello, Holly. We've got a bird in our tree.
Yes, I saw it first. It's a woodpecker.
That's correct. I didn't realize your Majesty was interested in birds.
Oh, yes, I'm a bird spotter.